What's going on, my friend Garrett Berry here. In this video, I'm going to reveal a totally free method you can use with ClickBank without even needing a website. Now, I'm going to break down this entire step-by-step free method inside of this video. So by the end of the video, you can go out there and apply it and start to get traffic, leads, and sales as soon as today. Now, before I dive in, though, I do want to share a link directly below. It's going to take you to my good friend Zach Crawford's free Facebook group. So if you want a community of people to take your affiliate marketing to the next level, I highly recommend you click the link below. Then on this page, just click this button here, and you can go ahead and join the private Facebook community totally for free. But without further ado, let me go ahead and dive in right now. So obviously with ClickBank, the very first step is to actually get a product. Now, if you don't have a product on ClickBank yet, or you don't even have an account, it's actually very easy to create one. You just go to clickbank.com, and at the very top, you click the sign up button, and you can create a free account in a few minutes. Now, once you're inside, you want to go to the top tab under Marketplace, and that's going to take you to different categories of products you can choose to use this method with. Now, this free, easy method works with every single category, so it's really up to you, right? Which one do you enjoy? Which one do you resonate with? Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to click health and fitness, okay? Now, once we're in the results of the different products in that category, we want to sort results by gravity because this is going to show the top selling products at the very top, okay? Now, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to choose one, okay? Now, let's say I wanted to do the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, okay? Let's say this is the product. It has a good gravity score, okay? And a good amount of money per sale that it will pay you. So then once you find a good product, you just want to hit promote. And what we want to do is we want to click generate hop links. And we want to actually save this link, okay? We want to keep it handy because in a second, we're going to actually use this link. Now, the next step we want to do is we want to actually shorten that link because towards the end of the video with the method, we're going to have to use a shortened link. So what you can do is you can go to a site called tinyurl.com. So then we just paste that affiliate link here and click make tiny URL, okay? And then basically you can just go ahead and copy it right there. Okay, now this is our shortened link. I will save this in a notepad file because we're going to need this again in just a little bit. Now that we've done that, we want to find out a little bit more information about this product as far as what does it have to do with, right? Some of these products may be teaching people how to build muscle. Other products may teach people how to lose weight, right? So we want to find out more information. You can do that by either opening up the sales page and looking over it. Okay, so this has to do with flat belly, okay? Or you can go to the affiliate page here, and they often will have information as far as what the product is. Okay, it's a new one-of-a-kind weight loss tonic. It helps men and women burn fat fast. Okay, so once we find out what the product has to do with, we want to find tips that teach people a little bit of information about what our product teaches people. Okay, so again, this product helps people lose weight. So we want to find weight loss tips. If the product helps people make money, you can look up make money online tips. Okay, so you just want to find some tips for this easy free method, as you'll see. So we can go to Google, okay, and you can just type in a couple words that have to do with the product followed by tips. So in my example, it's fat loss tips. And then I can just open up one of these articles, okay? It does not matter because we're literally going to swipe and deploy the tips that these people wrote that we didn't even have to write ourselves, okay? So this has 20 tips, okay? But for this method, we only need about, 3 to 5 tips, okay? So I'll just take 3 for the sake of this video, okay? And I just want even just the very basic headline, okay? So I'll use the same notepad and I'll put the tips here just to keep it organized. I recommend you do the same thing. This will help you implement this method in just a few minutes per day. And then the last tip, okay, just right here. Bam, right? So now that we have 3 tips and we have our affiliate link masked, okay, so it looks shortened and nice, the next step we want to do is we want to go to a free website called Pexels, okay? It's PEXELS.com. Now, what this site does is it allows you to access tons and tons of free photos, images, and videos that you can literally just create or you can take and use on social media, on other different platforms, okay? So what we want to do is we want to type in a few words that have to do with our product, okay, and the tips that we found. So for example, I could do fat loss, okay, and just search that. And boom, it says fat loss photos. Okay, so it's going to have all these different photos that I can use for this method totally free. Okay, or I can change it up. I could do weight loss. Okay, and there we have it. Now, what I want to do is whether I'm on a smartphone or a computer, I want to save these to my either my phone, okay, or to my PC or my Mac. I want to save these because we're going to use these photos. Now, you can do anywhere from about 5 to 7 photos is pretty good for this method, okay? So just go through. I'll do this. I'll stop the camera and do this now, and then I'll join you in a second. Okay, so I just downloaded about 5 photos, and what the next step is we want to go to another free site called canva.com. Now, maybe you've heard about this. I've talked about this in some of my other videos. Canva.com, what we want to do is go to the search bar, and we want to type in mobile videos, and we want to search that, okay? Now, what that's going to do is that's going to share with us templates that we can actually use to start to create mobile videos. Now, this will literally create a video for us, so you don't have to be good at editing. You don't have to have any video editing software. You just use this simple free site. So we click create a blank mobile video, okay? And now once you get to this page, what we want to do is we want to start uploading our photos, okay? So you can go to where it says uploads, okay? And now we just want to click and find where our photos are saved and upload them. I'll do that right now. Okay, so you can see these photos right here. These are the ones that I just downloaded, right? Now, what we want to do is we want to add 1 photo per scene in this video, okay? So because I have 5 photos, this could potentially be 5 different scenes. You can add pages or scenes just by clicking, okay? So if I go to the first page, what I can do is I can just click that, okay, and I can make this bigger. You want to try to fill, okay, as much of this video screen, this page, as possible. And you can edit the color, okay, like that. Now, just for the sake of this video, I'm not going to spend that much time on it. If you want to make it look a little bit more professional, you can spend, just a few more minutes. Still takes only about 10 minutes a day, but you can do that, okay? So now what we want to do is we want to write a title, okay? So I want to go to text, and I want to add a heading, okay, just like that. And what I can do is I can drag this up. And what I want to do is I want to title it something that has to do with the type of articles, okay, that we actually, or the type of tips that we found. So this has to do with losing belly fat, right? So it's 3 tips. So I can title this, okay, 3 top tips to lose fat. Okay, something like that. Just title it what your video is about, okay, what the tips are. Now I can go to the next page, okay, and I can actually go back to photos, okay, or uploads rather, and I can add the next image, okay? Very simple. Okay, I can delete this one. Boom. And now what I can do is I can just open up my notepad and I can take these tips and I can just put 1 tip per page. Okay, so I can go back to text, add heading. Okay, just like this. Boom. So what's going to happen is if I play this, okay, let me start over. If I play this video, it's going to be 3 top tips to lose weight. Okay, tip number 1, eat plenty of soluble fiber. And I would just go through and I would do the 3 tips. I would add, another page, add an image. And then once I'm done, okay, and if you want to make this video longer, you can edit the timing, okay, if you can make it longer. 15 seconds or less is what you want to do. Why? Because if you haven't already discovered, what we're going to do is we're going to use these videos as YouTube shorts, which are a very new form of YouTube marketing. And we're going to upload these to channels and start to get massive free traffic to our affiliate links, okay? I'll share with you in a second more information, so keep watching. But basically, once we're done our simple YouTube short, we're going to click download, okay? And you want to download this to your computer, to your smartphone. The next step is we want to create a YouTube channel. Now, creating a YouTube channel, again, is free, and it takes just a few minutes. I'm not going to walk you through because it's very self-explanatory. If you don't already have a channel, you just go to YouTube and you start the process of creating one. You want to create a channel name. I highly recommend that channel name is about the niche or category your product you're promoting is in, because you can find more products down the line, and you want to build a big channel in one niche, okay? So for this example, I could do best fat loss tips, okay? That could be the name of my channel. And then I just upload many different shorts teaching different tips. Now, these are going to go viral in many examples because if we look at shorts, okay, now shorts on YouTube is basically a video that's about anywhere from 30 seconds to about, to 10 seconds, right? And what they do is they have this little word, okay? They have the hashtag followed by the word shorts. And now as people search that, it's going to show up your video, okay? So what you would do is you would basically create a YouTube channel and then just upload, okay, that video, upload that short. Now, what we want to do is when we upload it, we want to title it, okay, the same title as the video. So for example, this video is 3 top tips to lose fat. So I can title, okay, my short, 3 top tips to lose fat, hashtag shorts. Okay, and then we post that, we upload it, and we make it public. And people will start to view this. Because it's short, because it's valuable, and because it's titled properly, people will start to find it and you will start getting views. Okay, now what you also want to do, the last step is inside of your video, okay, if you go to your video, you want to go to the description, and you can see this when you actually go to upload a video, they have a box for the description. What you want to do is you want to now take your shortened affiliate link and you want to put it in your description. Put it at the very top so people see your video and they see the link and they click it, okay? Now you can either make this better or you can even make it better. You can say, for the best way to lose weight, go here. Okay, so this is doing what's called a call to action. It's basically telling someone what you want them to do. Okay, for the best way to lose weight, go here. And I'd put it right at the top of the description. And this would be the short. And again, if you do this on a daily basis, just 1 to 2 shorts a day in a very short period of time, you're going to get a dramatic amount of free traffic. And because people will see this, they'll resonate. They're watching the video because they want to lose weight, and then they see a product that helps them lose weight. And we know it's a good product because it has a good gravity score. All these combined will allow you to generate pretty darn amazing results. So if you like this video, my friend, you want me to make more step-by-step videos, be sure to click the like button below. Also subscribe with the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest step-by-step training. Also check out if you want to discover my #1 affiliate system to actually generate up to $2,000 commissions even while you're sleeping. And last but not least, again, I'll include the other links so you can join my good friend Zach's free Facebook group. Again, massive community. He's always doing lives to help people. Okay, we got a massive community in here, and you really want to get started with this group and take action on the information he's sharing. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next training.